Hi friends, welcome back to SMNVS Innovations YouTube channel. In this video, let us see about this 2.1 channel home theater system made from a double cassette tape recorder. Friends, you can see this is a double cassette tape recorder, and presently nowadays we all are using digital technologies and latest technologies, and the older technologies like cassette recorders, tape recorder systems are being used by a few people. So if you get any technical issues or any repair issues, so people don't like to invest again in the old technologies. So in this video I will show you how to convert this double cassette tape recorder into a 2.1 channel home theater system. So basically this double cassette tape recorder system is being set up with a stereo audio output. It means it has left channel audio output and right channel audio output. So the additional one we need is subwoofer. So you can see there are two subwoofers placed here. So we have to keep this subwoofer. So for that purpose we use some other circuits for making this output. So friends, in this circuits mainly we have used few components, so that are very important for making this. So the first one is USB panel board. This is the USB panel board. I will show you in detail. So friends, this is the USB panel board. This USB panel board accepts inputs from pen drive, memory card and aux inputs, along with Bluetooth function is also available. This board can be powered with a 5 volts DC power supply, and it converts the input audio signals from pen drive, memory card or any aux inputs or any Bluetooth inputs into analog audio output, left channel, right channel and ground. This analog audio output can be further connected to required circuits for audio processing according to user requirements. So now here our requirement is stereo audio output along with subwoofer. So now I have used the necessary components. I will show you in detail. In this video I will show you the inner components I have used for converting this normal tape recorder system into a 2.1 channel home theater system. So as you have already seen this USB panel board details, further we need to see the other components I have used. I am opening this. So friends, this is the inner view. So first, after opening this double cassette tape recorder system, I have found this circuit board inside of it. I have cleaned this circuit board, as all these components are not working properly. So instead of repairing these components, and we can't guarantee the output again, so instead of doing that, I got an idea of converting it into a 2.1 channel home theater system. So in this double cassette tape recorder system, only this left and right channel speakers are in good condition. So I decided to select the audio amplifier according to this technical ratings of this speakers. So just a minute, I will show you the speaker ratings also. So friends, you can see the speaker is rated as 4 ohms 2.6 watts output. So it means I have to select an audio amplifier which is 3 watts rating. So for that purpose I have selected a class D 3 watts plus 3 watts audio amplifier, PAM 8403 audio amplifier. Here you can see the green color one. These two are the audio amplifier boards. One is for powering left channel and right channel, and the other is for powering these two subwoofers, left and right. The same input signal has been given low frequency. So for this purpose I have used PAM 8403 audio amplifier. I have selected class D because it is very small in size, and along with that the output will be up to 90% efficiency. So we can get very clear audio with perfect sounding experience. So now let us see what are the further components and how I have connected for making this. So This is the USB panel board as we have discussed previously. The audio output from this USB panel board is further connected to a volume control for volume control purpose, for manual volume control. This USB panel board has inbuilt digital volume control function, and along with the digital volume control function, if you add analog or a manual volume control function, it will be very nice for user to control in both the ways volume. So I have connected the audio output from this USB panel board to a volume control. Volume control is nothing but a variable resistance of 100k value. The output after user adjusting this volume control, it means decreasing or increasing. The audio output from this is connected to this audio amplifier PAM8403. This audio amplifier will amplify the input signal from the variable resistance, that is volume control, and it will be powered to the speakers to power this speakers. So later we need to connect subwoofer also. For this subwoofer I have used a subwoofer filter board. It means the input audio signals will be filtered to low frequencies. It is the low frequency audio signals are filtered and further connected to this PAM8403 audio amplifier, and the output of this PAM8403 audio amplifier are connected to this subwoofers. And also I have connected tweeters also. Friends, you can see this is the left channel tweeter and this is the right channel tweeter. These tweeters are very good in reproducing high frequency audio signals ranging from 2 kHz to 20 kHz. These tweeters can reproduce high frequency audio signals up to 100 kHz also, but the human audible range is up to 20 kHz. So we have to consider 2 kHz to 20 kHz frequency for the tweeters. And these are the primary circuits we need to use. And next we have to power these circuits. This PAM8403 audio amplifier should be powered with a 5 volts DC power supply, and this USB panel board should also be powered with a 5 volts DC power supply. So for that purpose I have used, friends, you can see this is an adapter, 5 volts 2 ampere rated adapter. This adapter will supply this 5 volts 2 amps current to this PAM8403 audio amplifiers along with this USB panel board for making it into function. And next we have to power this subwoofer filter board. For this purpose I need this subwoofer filter board need 12 volts AC input for making this into function. So for that purpose I have used a transformer. Friends, you can see this is the transformer. The input will be 230 volts AC, the output will be 12 volts AC. This output will be connected to this subwoofer board to power this. After powering this subwoofer board, it will function normally, perfectly. It will convert the input audio signals into low frequency signals. So in between I have connected another volume control. Friends, you can see this is another volume control. So this is for controlling the bass output. It means we can decrease the bass or increase the bass. So for that function I have connected the output of this subwoofer board to this volume control. After controlling the bass output, the output will be further connected to this PAM8403 audio amplifier, and it is next connected to this subwoofers. So in this way I have made this 2.1 channel home theater system. So now it's time to test this home theater system and how it works. And before testing, so for making this home theater system, so I have placed these two subwoofers. We have to make this casing in an enclosed way. It means we have to close all the holes by using any gum or any glue sticks. So for that purpose I have used these glue sticks. Friends, you can see I have glued the internal components also. So no internal vibrations should be happen because of this wires movement or any harsh sound should come because of this wire movements. If you do not glue, these wires will be vibrating and getting this noise. So I have tied all these wires completely tightly and glued all the unnecessary holes that are used in the previous tape recorder system. So completely I have closed this tape recorder system to make a box like structure. So now I will test its output and show you the performance. So friends, now I powered this double cassette tape recorder system. Now let us test its output. This is the remote provided for this USB panel, and I have placed this double cassette tape recorder system in this Bluetooth mode. Now let us play some tracks and test its output. So friends, now I am oning this Bluetooth and checking for the Bluetooth devices. So we can see BT-V9 is available. Now I am connecting this.
Paired.
So friends, you can listen, it is paired now. Now let us listen the output. I am playing a track now. friends, now we have listened to one track. Hope you feel this experience better. And now I will play another track. You can also listen to that. You also have seen the bass vibrations clearly. So it is vibrating well. The bass is also producing. We can control this bass by using this volume control. So this master volume can be used for controlling the whole volume, including the bass as well as left and right speakers. So friends, now I am playing another track. Increasing the volume, this is decreasing. You can see the signal is down. Now I am increasing the volume. So friends, we have listened to the music tracks. Hope you experienced this well. I have played the first track again to observe the high frequency and low frequency sounds. Hope this video is helpful and knowledgeable. So you can convert these double cassette tape recorders into this 2.1 channel home theater systems also. It is working very effectively, as this volume is a big compared to normal tape recorder systems. These double cassette tape recorder systems are very efficient for making this 2.1 channel home theater systems. So friends, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, share and comment on this video. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.